This is a comparison of the Cherry MX silent switches and the Cherry MX red switches. I hope this helped anyone trying to decide on which switch to get, and if you liked the video, please hit subscribe below. Thanks for watching.